Hello everyone, I am CHOU. Today I'm going to explain probability homework week 1, question 3. Question 3 is talking about a digital signal. 1 or 0 transmits through a noisy channel. The received data may be different from the signal sent out. Suppose the transmitter sent out 0 with probability 0.6 and 1 for probability 0.4. When 0 is transmitted, the receiver received 0 with probability 0.7 and 1 with probability 0.3. When 1 is transmitted, the receiver received 0 with probability 0.2 and 1 for 0.8. And the first question is asking us to find the probability that data 0 is received. So in my solution, I think we can draw a picture to help us to easily understand. So at first, the receiver will send out 0 with probability 0.6 and send out 1 with probability 0.4. And through the transmit, the receiver will receive 0 from sending 0 with probability 0.7 and 1 with probability 0.3. And if we send out 1 and the receiver receive 0 with probability 0.2, and when we send out 1 and receiver receive 1 with 0.8. So at the first question, we want to find the probability that the data 0 is received, and we can mark up the probability of receiver receive the data 0 is here and here. So we can easily count out that for this probability is 0.6 times 0.7 equals 0.42, and this probability is 0.4 times 0.2 and equals this. So we add up these two probability and is our answer. So we can easily find out that the probability that data 0 is received is 0.5. And for the second question, it's asking the probability of error. It means that when the sender send out 1 and receiver will receive 0, and if the sender send out 0 and the receiver will receive 1. So again, we can draw a picture to help us to easily understand. So at first, the receiver sent out 0 with probability 0.6 and 1 for 0.4, and the receiver received 0 and the sender sent 0 with 0.7 and 0.3 for 1. And when receiver received 0, when sender send out 1 with probability 0.2 and 0.8 for 1. So the goal of this question is to finding that the probability of error. So if the sender send out 0 and we get 1 is an error. So we need to calculate this probability. And if the sender send out 1 and receiver received 0, and that's a error. So we add these two probability up, and that's our answer. So the answer is 0.6 times 0.3 and 0.4 times 0.2, and we add these two up. So the final answer is 0.26, and this is the answer for question 2.